Hello everyone, I am Vaibhav Bakale. Today we are going to discuss on the topic of blood, composition of a blood and the uh, composition of a blood and the hematopoiesis. So first talking about the blood. Blood is a specialized body fluid. It contain a main four component, that is plasma, RBC, WBC and the platelets. So the blood has many different functions which include transporting oxygen and nutrients to the lungs and to the tissues. So then forming blood clots to prevent excess blood clots, then carrying cells and antibody, then fight against the infection and bring to liver and the kidney. So the blood that run through the veins, arteries and the capillaries is known as own blood. As blood mixture is 55% of plasma, 45% of blood cell, it about 7 to 8% of body weight. Then the types of the blood cells. There are four types of a blood cell. First is the RBC and second is the WBC, then platelets and the lastly is the plasma. So these are called as the erythrocytes. These are the bionucleic cell without nucleus in human, which also known as the erythrocytes. They contain iron, which protein, which is called as the hemoglobin, and it use the color red to the blood lifespan of RBC. It is about the 120 days. Then talking about the RBC produce in bone marrow, and main function is RBC to transport the oxygen. So the next is the WBC. WBC are WBC are also that glucoside. They are few in numbers than RBCs, about 1% on our own food. So these are the colorless blood cells. So WBC are classified granulocytes and the agranulocytes on the basis of their mechanism. Granulocytes are the one which are present have a granules in their cytoplasm. The granules include eosinophils, basophils, and the neutrophils, and the agranulocytes are 1 lakhs granules in their cytoplasm. The example of the agranulocytes are monocytes and the lymphocytes. Then platelets is something that is called as thrombocytes. It is a specialized blood cell. It is produced from the bone marrow. Then platelets come into play a crucial role when there is a bleeding and hemorrhage. Then they hem clotting and collaboration of a blood. Then we are going to see about the hematopoiesis. So hematopoiesis is a blood cell production. So blood cell production to your body continuously makes new blood cells to replace own blood cells. As you know, the lifespan of the RBCs is 120 days, and lifespan of the WBC is 5 to 6 days. So you have to supply the new blood cells to the circulatory, for the circulation. So the cells to the circulation. So the hematopoiesis start before continuous uh, as the hematopoiesis cycle throughout the life. So the hematopoiesis is arrived from the two Greek words, that is hemia means the blood and poiesis means the make something. So basically blood cells are the building blocks of your blood. Hematopoiesis includes the production of all type of blood cells like RBCs or erythrocytes, WBC or leukocytes, and also the platelets. Now the next point is that where the hematopoiesis occurs. So the most common site of a blood cell production is spongy tissue inside of your bone, called as a bone marrow. Then hematopoiesis is that occurs in your bone marrow. It's called as a medullary hematopoiesis. Blood cells get nude in get make in your own blood marrow is it's called as the medullary hematopoiesis. Blood cells get made in your bone or a bone marrow and release into your blood cells stream. Then the hematopoiesis that occurs outside your bone marrow, that is in your liver and spleen, is called as the extramedullary hematopoiesis. Hematopoiesis takes place in different location before before birth. Then it is after your birth. So before your birth, blood cells production start when you are still in your uterus. It begins the urine sac and structures that surrounds the embryo at the beginning of the pregnancy. So the most uh, tools in the hematopoiesis during pregnancy are week 3. Type of RBCs slightly less developed than the RBCs that get made during adulthood in the urine sac. Then in 2 to 3 month development, 2 to 3 month development, RBCs and platelets get made in your liver and spleen. So this is about the blood cells. So this is about the blood and composition of blood and the hematopoiesis. So hope you like my video. Thank you.